Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here. So I was invited to do a 7-day wireless charging challenge by a company called Mophie. Thanks to the shout out from Greg over at Greggles TV. So they went ahead and sent me all this stuff right here to help out with that challenge. Now, when I mean 7-day wireless charging challenge, I literally mean 7 days with nothing but pure wireless charging, no wires included or anything like that. Now, as it is already, I sometimes use wireless charging, not all the time, because the charge is always going to be faster when you use an actual wired charge. When you plug it into the wall and then plug it into your phone, it's always going to be faster that way. Sometimes I will use a wireless charger. If I'm just going to bed, I'll just set my phone on the wireless charger and boom, there it is charging. I don't have to worry about plugging in any wires or anything like that. But when I do need that quick charge, if I'm going to be leaving in a bit and my phone is running low, I'll go ahead and throw it on the wired charge just so it can charge a little bit faster. Now, I'm going to be using my Note 9 for this 7-day wireless charging challenge. Now, as it is already, the Note 9 has an amazing battery, and I find myself only having to charge it maybe later on in the day if I want a little extra juice, but it pretty much gets me through the full day. So even if my phone isn't about to die, I might end up just using these wireless chargers anyways, just to try them out. That way I can keep my battery at a high percentage at all times. So let me show you what I have in front of me. So right here, this first box is a wireless power station. Totally wireless, portable. I could take this with me anywhere in case my phone's running out of juice. I just basically set my phone on it and I'm ready to go. I don't have to worry about any wires or anything like that. But it shows here it's going to give me plus 34 hours of battery. This is a 6040 milliamp portable battery. It is QI enabled wireless charging, priority charging, charge through lightweight cases. So it'll also work with some cases. And up here it shows you it's going to give you plus 14 hours on a large tablet, plus 18 hours on a small tablet, and then plus 34 hours on a smartphone. Like I said, I'm going to be using my Note 9 for this challenge. Now, I noticed on the box, nowhere it says it's a fast charger or quick charger or anything like that. So I'm assuming it is going to be slow charging for the phone. As you can see on these boxes right here, it does say fast charge, fast charge. So actually on both of these power banks right here, it does not say fast charge. So that's going to be kind of an interesting thing to see how well it does on my phone, because if I really need that quick charge, I'm not sure if these will be able to do the job, even though it will be a convenience not to have to worry about any wires. But we're just going to have to wait and see how it goes. So this is actually a larger charging bank than this one over here. This one's going to give you plus 48 hours of battery life. As you can see, this is the extra large version. This one is a 10,000 milliamp portable battery. So plus 17 hours on a large tablet, plus 24 hours on a small tablet, and like I said earlier, plus 48 hours on a smartphone. So that's that. And then right here in the middle, we have the actual charging pad that is going to give you fast wireless charging. I'll most likely just have this right next to my bed. That way, if I'm going to sleep, I can just set my phone right on top of it and boom, it is charging. And on the back, it just kind of gives you some specs, charges on contact, non-slip rubberized coating, charge through lightweight cases, just like the portable ones over here. And then fast charge wall adapter is included, so you don't have to use your own. So that's pretty cool as well. 2 times more power for a faster charge. So I'm interested to see how fast this is actually going to charge my phone, being a wireless charger. Now over here is actually pretty cool. This is going to be cool to use when I'm driving, traveling. It's like when you're driving, why not have your phone charging? Especially for me, I do use my GPS a lot. And like I said, my Note 9 battery is amazing. It's able to last all day, even when I'm using a lot of GPS. But hey, it's not going to hurt to have it charging while using the GPS. So this is actually pretty cool. A car mount that is wireless. It charges your phone wirelessly. So I've never had one of these before. So it's going to be pretty cool to try it out. Fast wireless charging, charges through lightweight cases as well. So this is going to be pretty cool to charge out, and this does support fast charging. Now lastly, on this side, we actually have a travel kit. Yes, this is a Charge Stream travel kit. So it's going to come with a couple of things. If you're on the go and you don't want to take all this extra stuff with you, you can take this little kit with you that's going to help you out with your charging. So you can see here, it comes with a Charge Stream mini pad, a wall charger, a car charger, the micro USB cable, and this whole carrying pouch. So it's pretty cool little travel kit. I'm interested to see how well these things charge my device. If this is a mini charge stream pad, I don't think it's going to charge my phone at high speeds. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. I'm gonna have to test it out. But yes, this is the travel kit. So over the next 7 days, I am going to be trying out all of these chargers on my device. Like I said, purely wireless charging, no wired charging or anything like that. So I'm interested to see how well it goes, especially with this brand, the products that they have sent me. If it goes well, like I said, I will update you guys in 7 days from today to let you know how it went. But if you guys are interested in any of these things I have here in front of me, I will put the links down in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself. But that is it for now, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start. By the time this video is up, I will have already started the challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber already. And don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Wish me luck on this challenge. I hope everything goes well. And don't forget to turn on post notifications to keep up with future videos to come, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.